Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here with Darin from AEVEX Aerospace. Now Darin, first of all, this is a very impressive setup and I'm really impressed about what you've got going on here, especially that little device down there.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your company as well as the products and solutions you offer?
Yeah, so AEVEX Aerospace GEEK products, we make that navigation box.
Okay.
We make navigation boxes which are called position navigation and timing boxes for military applications called P&T.
Okay.
Yeah. So that same stuff goes in that box there that triggers the RGB camera and the LiDAR to do LiDAR mapping with the drone.
Oh, very cool. Okay, now in terms of like precision for that particular device, what do you get to?
So that box has an accuracy of 2 centimeters in the sky.
Wow, okay, that's excellent. That is excellent.
We use a low-grade IMU in the box with our 2-meter boom, so you can have a antenna for position and heading.
Okay.
So you don't have to use like an expensive Planix IMU, which is very costly.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Now, in terms of compatibility, we're looking at an inspired flight drone here, but in terms of compatibility with your systems, I mean, what platforms is it compatible with?
So anything that'll give us power,
Okay.
that'll have a mounting platform under the drone. We can interact anything.
Okay. And how does that work?
So basically the drone operates separately. And the box has its own navigation and timing separately, just needs power, like I say, and a mount that, and you just do your flight planning with the normal drone software.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
And then in terms of the software used to process the data that your box collects, is it compatible with all the mapping software that's out there, like Drone Deploy, for instance? Or?
No, it's not. So our system, we make our own software to do the LiDAR mapping. Usually you map it with the drone software, so it'd be like Q ground control, UGCS, whatever the drone operation goes to the navigate box of the drone.
Okay, gotcha, understood. And if somebody wanted to learn a little bit more about your system as well as your company, where would be the best place that somebody could do that?
Go to AEVEX.com.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah, AEVEX is actually a umbrella of 15 companies, and we're one. So it has a huge website, shows the directory of where a GEEK product is.
Okay, excellent. Yeah. Well, hey, Darin, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. Absolutely, thank you.